Today we will be demonstrating how to add a diverter spout, toolkits needed, adjustable wrench and cloth. Step 1. Turning anti-clockwise, screw out the existing bath spout by hand. Step 2. Ensure that the male thread remaining is still good. Step 3. Apply PTFE thread sealing tape to the thread from the wall. Step 4. Fit the decorative sliding flange to the new spout. Step 5. Turning clockwise, screw the new spout onto the male thread and hand tighten. Step 6. Place a protective layer over the chrome surface of the spout. Step 7. Using a suitable wrench, tighten the spout and make sure that the spout position is pointing down. Step 8. Your spout is now ready to supply a hand shower or sliding rail attachment. Enjoy your new shower attachment. Cobra, the brand you trust. For further technical support and advice, call us on 0861 21 21 21.